let's do another unboxing video. So the first thing we've got today is a tool, and it's a height marking gauge. I'm going to be using this for my hidden tangs so I can mark the slot of the cutout at where obviously the hidden tang goes in. So this is going to be very handy, and you'll see it in a lot of the future videos. Okay, so another thing what I've ordered is Satanite. I've been after some of this for a while to line my forge. It's like cement really, but apparently it's reflective as well, so it can help with your forgings, and it protects against flux for when you forge welding. So Satanite from Blade Make. I'll put a link to those in the description because I know that it's hard to get in the UK, this stuff. I got 4 tubs. People also use it for hamon as well. So these next two were workshop warming gifts from a guy on Instagram. He's a collector. He's got some of my knives, some of Luke's knives. He's called Amadeus. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. I'll put a link in the description. So let's open these. I have no idea what it's saying, so I hope it's nothing untoward. Sweet. Just what my body needs, more sweet. Oh dear. I've got a feeling it's about to get messy in here. Thanks a lot for that, Amadeus. Really appreciate it, mate. Cheers. And last but by no means least, a parcel from one of my followers. He's on Instagram. In fact, I've got him on everything. He's called Emile the actor. Your videos via the YouTube algorithm. Really like your videos. You make beautiful knives. Can't make anything, so it's interesting to see you make them. Thanks a lot for that, Emile. Really appreciate it. There's plenty in here. It's a pretty packed box. Nuts, bolts, washers, sweets, more sweets, sweets. I'll be having that. Going to come in handy. I've actually got a drawer full of nuts, bolts and washers, and it's just old stuff what I've found at scrapyard. I take things apart and I keep the nuts, bolts and washers off that. So having new ones is going to be a bonus. All sorts in here, so perfect. Thanks a lot for that, Emile. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to try and get a video up every week for as long as I can, really. It'll probably be a build video every other week and then one of these every other week. But we'll do like unboxings. If I get new tools, I'll do that. Do a little rundown of some tools. I'll go through some of the tools that I've already got. Tips videos, things like that. Anything what you can think of, just write in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see. I know that a lot of you said tips videos, so we'll be doing some more beginners tips as well as the build videos, but we will definitely be doing build videos. Even if it's a big or a small build video, there will be a build video up every other week. So thank you.